Hi everyone! Thank you for tuning in to the StructPro tutorial. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of installing the software. Let's get started. First, you need to obtain the setup files from our website, StructProLLC.com. After logging into our website, navigate to the Download menu. Locate the Download button and click on it. A new window will appear, displaying the download link. Click again to the Download button show in the new window, then choose the destination on your local computer where you want to save the setup files and click Save. After finished downloading, you will have a zip files that contains the setup saved to your local computer. Now, let's proceed to extract the downloaded zip files for installation. However, before you begin the extraction process, please ensure that you unblock the downloaded file first. To unblock the file, right-click on the downloaded file and select Properties. Once the Properties window is open, locate the Unblock option and check the box. Afterward, click OK. Then your file is now unblocked. After unblocking the downloaded file, you can proceed to extract it for installation. Various software options are available for extracting files. In this example, I will use 7-zip for the extraction process. To extract using 7-zip, first, copy the downloaded file to the desired extraction location. Then, right-click on the file, choose 7-zip, and select Extract here. Wait for the extraction process to complete, and once finished, you can proceed with the installation. Now, let's initiate the software installation. Navigate to the folder you've recently extracted, locate the setup folder, and then find the setup file within. Once you've identified the setup file, right-click on it and select Open. The installation process will commence. Allow it to complete, and then click Close on the Setup Completion window to finish the installation. After the installation is complete, open Excel. If the installation has been successful, you should see the StructPro software appear in your Excel menu. Now, let's proceed to the next step. You'll need to load the library folder and install additional add-ins for the software before you can start using it. To load the library, click on the Library button in the menu. Wait for the library window to open, then right-click on it and select Set Library. Once the Select Folder window opens, choose the folder containing the library. The folder with the library is currently located in the Setup folder. Navigate to the Setup folder, select the Library SP folder, then click Open. The program library is now successfully loaded. From now on, every time you open Excel, the library will be automatically loaded. You don't need to repeat this step again. The next step is to load the additional add-ins, which include extra functions for StructPro. To load the add-in, locate the Developer button in the Excel menu. If you can't find the Developer button, right-click on the Excel menu and select Customize the ribbon. In the window on the right, check the box for the Developer option. Once the Developer button is visible on the Excel menu, click on it, and then select the Excel Add-ins button. A window will open. Then you need to navigate to the Setup folder, locate the add-in folder, select the add-in file, and click OK. This completes the add-in setup. This concludes the video tutorial for the software installation. Please like, share and subscribe this channel to watch more video tutorials of our software in the future. Thank you for watching.